Good, happy Monday, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started. Plow truck driver charged with DWI after striking Alstead Bridge, police say. A plow truck driver was arrested on aggravated DWI charges Monday morning after the truck struck a bridge in Alstead and continued driving. Lewis Elliott, 45, of South Ackworth, was charged with aggravated DWI. Police said the driver told officers that a commercial plow truck struck a bridge about 4 a.m. on Route 123 in Alstead. The truck lost its wing plow blade, police said, and continued driving without stopping. Troopers caught up with the truck on Route 123 in Walpole. The trooper learned the truck was a commercial contractor assisting the New Hampshire Department of Transportation with clearing the roads and made the arrest. There were no reports of injuries or damage other than to the truck, police said. And that does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Monday. Goodbye, everyone.